Every drawing starts with a sketch, and here it was no different. In the sketch I mainly planned the composition, colors and design. I gave the sketch to my assistant artist, the AI, to create several more detailed versions on top of my sketch, describing to it what I wanted with the prompt. Then I selected the best images, one for each part of the character. I manually made a fusion with the best images, and painted a little over it to help my assistant artist understand what I want, and several new images were generated. I chose my favorite, and used another AI to correct the deformed face. Finally, I manually adjusted the eyes, lips, clothing, lighting and other details, and the illustration was done. I don't think that everything people are doing with AI can be called art, but as an artist, I believe that what I did was art, as I am controlling an intelligent tool to manipulate shapes and colors into an expression of beauty using my idea and inspiration from other images and artists. It's the same thing an artist does on paper. The difference is that I used AI as an assistant to do the legwork for me.